Good morning to all. Today we will continue chapter number 5, admission of a partner. And this is the last topic of this chapter, adjustment of capital. There are two methods to adjust partner's capital. First one is adjustment of old partner's capital on the basis of new partner's capital. And second one is calculation of new partner's capital on the basis of old partner's capital. Now today we will discuss about only first one, adjustment of old partner's capital on the basis of new partner's capital. We will understand this method with the help of a question number 85 from T.S. Grewal. The question is, A and B were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as at 31st March 2018 was as follows. There are 5 adjustments below the balance sheet. C was admitted as a new partner and brought rupees 64,000 as capital and rupees 15,000 for his share of goodwill premium. The new profit sharing ratio was 5:3:2. On C's admission, the following was agreed upon. Stock was to be depreciated by 5%. Provision for doubtful debts was to be made at rupees 2,000. Furniture was to be depreciated by 10%. Building was valued at rupees 1,60,000. Capitals of A and B were to be adjusted on the basis of C's capital by bringing or paying off cash as the case may be. You have to prepare revaluation account, partner's capital account and the balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. Now we have to prepare revaluation account first. For revaluation account, we have to understand the adjustment below the question. First adjustment is stock was to depreciate by 5%. Then you have to write two stock account. The stock is given in the balance sheet, that is 60,000 and 5% of 60,000, that is 3,000 only. 3,000. Next adjustment, provision for doubtful debt is was to be made at 2,000. 1,600 already given in the balance sheet. Then you have to write to provision for doubtful debt account. 1,600 already created and 2,000. The difference between 400. The difference between 400. Next adjustment is furniture was to be depreciated by 10%. And you will write to furniture account. Furniture is given 20,000 and 10% is 2,000. 10% of 20,000 is 2,000. And fourth adjustment is building was valued at 1,60,000. Building is given the balance sheet 1,40,000. It means the value of building increases by 20,000. You will write on the credit side by building account. $20,000. Now you have to add 20,000 and transfer to the debit side. 20,000. And you have to deduct 3,000, 2,400, 5,400, and you will get to profit or gain transferred to capital account. A and B. You get 14,600. And this amount will be divided among the partners in old profit sharing ratio. He'll get 8,760 and we will get 5,840. 5,840. Did clear? After revaluation account, we have to prepare partners capital account, and it starts with opening balance of capital of the partners. You will write by balance BD by balance BD. Capital balances are given in the balance sheet. 1,04,000 for A and 52,000 for B. 1,04,000 and 52,000, and C bring 64,000 as capital. You will write by cash account 64,000, and on the liability side there are some reserve given. You have to distribute on the partners, old partners in old profit sharing ratio. Like workman compensation fund, you will write by workman compensation fund account. The value of WCF 10,000. You will be divided in profit sharing ratio 3:2, 6,000 and 4,000. There is a contingency liability, contingency reserve is given. You will write by contingency reserve. Contingency reserve 6,000, 4,000 again. EPF is an outsider liability. It is not recorded in this account. Now you will divide goodwill in sacrifice ratio. For goodwill calculation, you have to calculate sacrifice ratio. Calculation of sacrifice ratio, you know sacrifice ratio is equal to old share minus new share. The old ratio minus new ratio. A and B 3, 2. This is old ratio, and new one 5, 3, 2, 5 ratio, 3 ratio, 2. Now A sacrifice is equal to 3 by 5 minus 5 by 10. 10, 6 minus 5, 1 by 10. B sacrifice is equal to 2 by 5 minus 3 by 10 is equal to 10. 4 minus 3, 1 by 10. Then sacrifice ratio is equal to 1:1. And C bring 15,000 for his share of goodwill, 15,000, and this amount will be divided among sacrificing partners in sacrificing ratio. You will write by premium for goodwill, by premium for goodwill account. $7,500 to each partner, 7,500. Because sacrifice ratio is 1:1, and you have to transfer this profit to the partner's capital account. You write by revaluation account 8,760 and 5,840, 5,840. Now you have to calculate old partner's capital on the basis of C's capital. Total capital of the new firm, total capital of the new firm is equal to C capital into reciprocal of C share of profit, C share of profit. Seed capital 64,000. 64,000 into seed ratio 2 by 10. Reciprocally 10 by 2. You will get 3,20,000. This is the total capital of the new firm, 3,20,000. Now you will calculate old partner's capital. A new capital is equal to 3,20,000 into a new ratio is 5 by 10. 5 by 10. And you get 1,60,000 and B new capital is equal to 3,20,000 into 3 by 10. 3 by 10. And you will get 96,000. Now you will write in partners capital account. After first line, you have to left one line above and we will write to balance CD 1,60,000 and 96,000 and C capital 64,000. Now you will check debit side is more than credit side or credit side is more than debit side. I think in this question debit side is more than credit side. Total करेंगे 1,60,000 and 96,000 and 64,000 and this value are transferred to the credit side. 1,60,000, 96,000 and 64,000. Now you have to write by cash account. You have to check the difference between two. The difference is 27,740 and 22,660. In your book, this answer is wrong. Please correct this answer in your book. This is complete. After that, you have to prepare balance sheet. And in the balance sheet on liability side, you have to write capital accounts A, B, and C. 1,60,000, 96,000, and 64,000. And creditors. Creditors given 1,54,000. EPF, Employee Provident Fund. Very 16,000. And the total of this 3,20,000. And on asset side, cash is given 8,000 already in the balance sheet. You have to add new partner's capital, that is 64,000, and goodwill amount is 15,000. Plus, you have to add this amount 27,740. 27,740 and B will bring 22,660. 22,660. Next, debtors, sundry debtors 37,600. Now you have to deduct 2,000. Provision for doubtful debt. Then you get 35,600. Next, stock. The stock value is given 60,000. 60 minus 3, 60,000 plus depreciation 3,000, and you get 57,000. Next, prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance is 6,000 only. Next, plant and machinery. Plant and machinery 76,000. Next, building. The new value of building 1,60,000. And last, asset furniture. You write furniture 20,000 minus 2,000. It is that. That's that, and you get 18,000. The total of balance sheet is 4,90,000 for both sides. 4,90,000. 4,90,000. That's all. Thank you.